This is the question paper of first year GNM final board examination, Maharashtra State Board of Nursing and Paramedical Education, Mumbai, conducted in the year 2024, February. First year GNM, first subject Bioscience, paper 1. First one, multiple choice questions. In that first question, platelets are destroyed in dash. Answer is option B, spleen. Second one, microscope was discovered by dash. Answer is option C, Leeuwenhoek. Third one, the left lobe of lung has dash. Answer is option C, 2. Fourth one, muscular wall of heart is called as dash. Answer is A, myometrium. Fifth one, capacity of human urinary bladder is dash. Option is answer is B, 400 to 600 ml. Next, match the following. First one, saliva. Answer is C, xylem. Second one, spore forming bacteria. Answer is D, gas gangrene. Third one, vitamin D. Answer is E, ultraviolet sun rays. Fourth one, skeleton. Answer is A, framework of body. Fifth one, bile. Answer is B, liver. Next, state true or false. First one, temporomandibular joint is a movable joint. Answer is true. Second one, the cell membrane is outer coating of cell. The answer is true. Third one, presence of air in pleural space is known as pneumothorax. The answer is true. Fourth one, large intestine takes part in digestion of food. Answer is false. Fifth one, total number of bones in the body are 212. The answer is false. Then there are short note questions. Then there are long essay questions. This is the Marathi question paper of bioscience subject. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper. Second subject, behavioral science. Multiple choice questions. First one, dash is a group of people having same status. The answer is A, primary group. Second one, classical conditioning is invented by dash. The answer is C, Pavlov. Third one, per capita income is dash. The answer is B, average income per person in a year. Fourth one, psychosexual stages of personality development are described by dash. The answer is A, Sigmund Freud. Fifth one, marriage within the group is dash. The answer is D, endogamy. Next, match the following. First one, father of sociology. Answer is D, Auguste Comte. Second one, family. The answer is E, agency of socialization. Third one, juvenile delinquency. The answer is A, remand home. Fourth one, thinking. The answer is B, cognitive process. Fifth one, culture. The answer is C, Indian society. Next, state true or false. First one, crowd is primary group. Answer is false. Second one, false perception in the presence of stimuli is called hallucination. Answer is false. Third one, customs are written code of behavior. Answer is true. Fourth one, learning is a process of modification of behavior. Answer is true. Fifth one, dowry is not a social problem. The answer is false. Then there are short notes, give scientific reason, and the essay questions. This is the Marathi question paper of behavioral science. This is the Marathi question paper, continuation of behavioral science. This is the third subject, nursing foundation. Multiple choice questions. First one, normal blood pressure is dash. The answer is C, 120 to 80 mm of Hg. Second one, epistaxis means dash. The answer is D, bleeding from nose. Third one, SOS means dash. The answer is D, if necessary. Fourth one, WHO Day celebrating on dash. The answer is A, 7th April. Fifth one, dash is used to prevent bed sore. The answer is B, air cushion. Next, match the following. First one, steps in nursing process. The answer is C, observation and assessment. Second one, sphygmomanometer. The answer is D, vital signs checking. Third one, anorexia. The answer is A, loss of appetite. Fourth one, infectious patient. The answer is E, isolation. Fifth one, hyperpyrexia. The answer is B, cold sponging. Next, state true or false. First one, rigor mortis is stiffening of the body after death. Answer is true. Second one, Fowler's position relieves dyspnea. The answer is true. Third one, humidity means the amount of oxygen in the air. The answer is false. Fourth one, hot water is used to remove blood stains. Answer is false. Fifth one, halitosis means bad breath. The answer is true. Then there are short notes, give scientific reasons, define the following terms and long essays. This is the Marathi Nursing Foundation question paper. This is the continuation of the Marathi Nursing Foundation question paper. This is the fourth subject, Community Health Nursing. Multiple choice question. First one, calcium is the nutrient necessary for dash. Answer is D, for normal bone and teeth. Second one, the another name of oral polio vaccine is dash. The answer is C, Sabin. Third one, the total duration of antenatal period is dash. The answer is B, 280 days. Fourth one, the effective method of health education is dash. The answer is A, group discussion. Fifth one, dash is a method of visual aid. The answer is D, all of the above. Next, match the following. First one, roughage. The answer is E, constipation. Second one, deafness. The answer is C, communication barrier. Third one, temporary family planning. The answer is D, CUT. Fourth one, midday meal. The answer is B, school children. Fifth one, VVM. The answer is A, patency of polio vaccine. Next, state true or false. First one, correct and complete record keeping is legal responsibility of a nurse. The answer is true. Second one, Yellow fruits are rich in vitamin B complex. The answer is false. Third one, colostrum means baby's first immunization. The answer is true. Fourth one, sex education is not needed for the adolescent. The answer is false. Fifth one, constipation is caused by lack of fat in diet. The answer is false. Then there are short notes. Define the following. State difference between and the long essays. This is the Marathi question paper of community health nursing. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper community health nursing.